When a student is getting started with BlinkLearning, they will begin at blinklearning.com and click on Create Account. Students have the option to create an account using either a class code or a book code. We recommend that new students create their user accounts using a class code. A new student user can navigate to My Classroom, where they will be able to see the class code that they just joined. Blink will notify the student that they are pending to be accepted into this classroom. When a student joins your classroom using a class code, their enrollment needs to be confirmed. They can be found in the My Students tab within your section under the Students subheading. To accept a student in your classroom, move your cursor to the green check mark, select it, and then click Update. Your student is now enrolled in your classroom. In the content area of their new classroom, students will be able to view the books that are assigned to their classroom. The blue bar is an indication that this student has not yet activated a license for this book. Book codes purchased from CletUSA.com will be available to the student in their email. The student can activate the book code by clicking on Add License in their table of contents. Alternatively, a student can activate a book code in their subject area by clicking on Add Books. Once the student has activated a book code, the blue bar will disappear and they will be able to see all of the chapters available.